Nice.
Very good. Okay, shall we try?
Ah.
Very good, Escrimador, huh?
At least you know how to fight.
Yes, little bit.
Stage fighting, yeah. Stage fighting is the most important for being a man like you. Especially if the one, especially if the one you're fighting have a knife. This is good for fighting with a man with a knife. Yeah. Because when you
Ah. Kamu gitu ya so. Okay.
Oh.
Yes, it's okay.
straight. You know how to play that one.
A little bit, but not the same.
At least you have to practice. Because once you can once you up there,
It's moving.
when you're up there, go ahead, go to his head.
Okay.
Yeah. Here. Here.
Very precise, huh? Really.
Long before, because every time you get there,
Surprise. You got this little Kevin? Sige, sige, sige. Very good, huh?
bye-bye. You have to practice like this one. Hit. Yeah. At least when you have this one, I think, Jan, balik yan ni Jan. If you have this one, the better for you if you practice. Every morning you will practice.